Today, we're talking about the hidden dangers of boredom on construction sites. While it might not seem as obvious as falling hazards or electrical risks, boredom can lead to serious accidents and injuries. Think about this. You've been performing the same task for hours, maybe even days. Maybe you're a crane operator who's lifted the same materials countless times, or you're doing repetitive concrete finishing work. Your mind starts to wander, and that's when accidents happen. For example, an experienced worker cutting lumber is something he has done thousands of times before. The routine nature of the task led to complacency. His mind drifted to weekend plans, and in that split second of distraction, his hand slipped too close to the saw blade. Fortunately, he only needed stitches, but it could have been much worse. Boredom affects us in three dangerous ways on construction sites. First, it reduces our situational awareness. When we're running on autopilot, we might miss important changes in our environment, like a new overhead hazard or a changed walking surface. Second, boredom can lead to dangerous entertainment. Workers might start taking shortcuts or unnecessary risks just to make the job more interesting. For instance, racing with forklifts or trying to show off by carrying too many materials at once. These might seem fun at the moment, but they put everyone at risk. Third, boredom can cause fatigue. When our minds aren't engaged, we actually get tired faster. This fatigue slows down our reaction time and impairs our judgment. This is what we don't want when working with heavy machinery or at heights. So how do we combat construction boredom safely? Start by taking regular micro breaks. Every hour or so, take 30 seconds to stretch, look around, and mentally reset. This helps maintain focus and physical alertness. Switch up tasks when possible. If you've been doing the same repetitive work for hours, talk to your supervisor about rotating responsibilities with a coworker. This not only fights boredom, but also helps prevent repetitive strain injuries. Stay mentally engaged by doing regular self-checks. Ask yourself, what could go wrong right now? What's changed in my work area since I started? Am I still following all safety procedures? These mental exercises keep you alert and focused on safety. Remember, there's no such thing as a routine task in construction. Every lift, cut, or weld deserves your full attention, no matter how many times you've done it before. Your family and coworkers are counting on you to stay alert and return home safely. Take pride in doing repetitive tasks well and safely. Being a professional means maintaining high standards even when the work gets monotonous. Stay alert, stay engaged, and most importantly, stay safe out there. Did you know that in 2020, a study conducted by the Associated Builders and Contractors found that daily safety toolbox talks lead to a remarkable 82% reduction in total recordable incident rates compared to those conducted monthly? The study shows that the frequency of toolbox talks directly correlates with incident rates. Consistent safety toolbox talks lead to less accidents, which is why many companies this year are using Safely EO to create and schedule these talks weeks and months in advance, so your team will be consistently reminded of the job hazards and safety protocols. You get access to Safely EO's Toolbox Talk library that comes with hundreds of text-based and video-based toolbox talks that covers any industry. The Toolbox Talk app makes it easy for your employees and supervisors to consume safety talks from their own mobile devices and acknowledge its completion at the click of a button. All completed safety talks are tracked, and the data can be exported and available for use. The platform digitizes your safety talks process, so you can focus on what really matters, keeping your team safe and informed. Don't wait until it's too late. Workplace incidents can cost your company millions in liability, lost productivity, and damaged reputation. To learn more, just click the link in the description of this video to request a quick demo.